Alright, so we got a bunch of updates coming up for the 240. The story is getting pretty interesting, so definitely stay tuned. I've got a ton of video already shot and everything. I just got to get caught up with the editing and putting the videos together. But for this video here today, I want to cover the radiator install, electric cooling fans. I want to show the wiring for the cooling fan controller, and just button this radiator setup up today. But thanks for coming back, and I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's jump right into it. All right, I could not find a fan shroud for this thing, factory fan shroud with a fan clutch setup, so I went with this one. Obviously not ideal, but we're gonna give it a shot. This is the Koyo dual pass radiator. Should help us keep us cool out here in Arizona when we're out at the track. I did have to get two brand new grommets, these ones right here. I'll drop a little clip showing the part number for these, but these are absolutely necessary. If you don't have the right ones, the fitment isn't right on there, so let's get this put in. Okay, so plot twist. So I'm gonna need to cut a little chunk out of the side right here, and it looks like this drain plug right here is gonna clear as well. So I need to get that chopped up. So let's make a mark and make a cut. Got the little GK Tech mounts here, the rubber grommets. I got the part number for those as well. But yeah, these grommets are the OEM ones. You'll need those. All right, let's get this radiator put in. All right, so we got our Mishimoto fan controller here. Just wanted to do a real quick rundown on this one. This is where I mounted it, and I'm going to show where these wires go for all the colors. The diagram on here is pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to show where I mounted it and kind of how we route it. It has a temperature probe that goes into the top of the radiator right there. I've already used my 2 ports from the upper radiator hose. I didn't want to add another one for this. One's for the gauge and one's for the turbo feed. So I went with that probe there so I didn't have to tap into the intake or anything. But anyway, so you've got your 2 wires for each fan. The controller is actually going to hook up to the ground on both fan. So you want to take both grounds from the fan, both grounds, put them together. It goes to the red one here that comes off the fuse. So it comes with the fuse, goes in here. So this red one from the controller is going to go to both grounds on the fans, because they are activated, they are ground activated fans. Or I'm sorry, the controller is a ground activated controller. Both powers for the fan are going to go straight to the battery power source. This is your 12 volt trigger on, and this is your main ground. And it comes with the connector for the temperature probe there. Right there. So pretty straightforward. Here's the diagram again. And we'll see if it works. All right, so the fans did end up working. As far as the controller goes, you can adjust it to the temperature where you want them to turn on. I always just turn them on when the thermostat opens up. So in this case, it's like 195 right in that area. Probably wouldn't be bad to just have them on all the time if you're at the track in Arizona. I mean, with how hot it is out here. But anyways, they did end up working. So for the next video, we're gonna get into the fuel system. I'm gonna do the fuel pump, the Wabrel 255, and I've got a relay hardwire kit to get direct power straight to the fuel pump so that we don't have any issues with voltage drop or anything like that. And yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you don't mind, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot. If you got any questions, feel free to comment. I typically reply as much as I can. And thank you for watching. We'll see you for the next one.